everybody, it's Erin Reed, and today I got something a little fun in. So I put in an order to a company called Pura Vida, and they have bracelets and jewelry. I'm going to show you a little order I got in. So look at these cool bracelets. I'm going to wear them while we're doing the video too. So the links are down below to where you can find them. I love them because they're actually made from artisans from around the world. It's one of those things where every time they make something, a percentage goes back to them, and they're not super expensive, but I think they can crank some of these out quite fast. So it's called Pura Vida bracelets. They're really, really pretty, and you can stack them up. They have some, I think this was one of the ones, these ones I had previously and I loved them, and then I got an email saying, hey, we have a great deal, and I was like, sure, why not? And they had one, I think it was like for minimal. I don't remember the cost of it, but it was a mystery bracelet, so you weren't really sure what you were going to get. But look how cool they are when they're all stacked up together. So just little boho bracelets. I thought they were so fun. And then also, I'm a girl, I love a discount. I went to their discount section and I saw this really, really cute ring. So I thought I would pick up the ring. And again, this one was on sale too, but even if it wasn't on sale, it's only $12. So I thought, look how pretty that is. I just thought that was just a little gorgeous. For every order, you get a little package of stickers. So just giving back, doing good. Here it is, 650 full-time jobs for artisans worldwide. And I believe this is founded in Costa Rica. Each purchase helps provide full-time jobs for artisans worldwide. So I love that. I think that's awesome. So this little packet, and here it talks about the story, San Diego, Costa Rica. They made little bracelets, and it's all talked about in summer 2010, college trip to Costa Rica. They crossed paths, they made the bracelets, and they started going home selling the bracelets, and then they just kept on, they got sold out, so then they kind of kept on going and going and going. It's a really, really cool, story and how it all works. But where it's rolling into where I am doing is look at all these cutesy stickers. Look how adorable. You know me, I see something kind of like a sticker, I'm like, I gotta create with it. So I picked out, I think I'm gonna do these 4 stickers. I just like the look of them. Somehow I lined them up just perfectly. So there it is, all the supplies I need to do this project. So I took a super, super simple design, but one that is pretty, and it just kind of has a very, very unique thing. The first step I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this Thanks stamp set that I got from Simon Says Stamp. It has a whole bunch of things. I loved it because I could use it for a multitude of different cards. And I'm going with the smallest one today, and it just fits perfectly. You could totally misty this because it's kind of a mass production kind of a card. So, oop, that one's got a little smudge on it, so flip it over. Next section, I have these really cool peel-off stickers. These came from European Paper Crafters, and I just thought they would look so pretty. And here's one that I've already done. It's just this little something right on the top. It kind of separates where we're going to put the sticker, and then also where we are going to have the stamp. So it just gives a little bit of a great divide. So really quickly, I'm going to do this for these 4. So this, think about this. If you did this card and you changed up the colors, there we go. And if you also changed up what sticker was on there, is this going to be long enough? Oh, it's good enough. This is one from when I made the other card. This is the end of the other section. So if you just change up the sticker, let's say you put a Christmas sticker here, because we're getting close to Christmas. You put a Christmas sticker here, and you put Merry Christmas down here, and you did Christmas colored papers. Easy mass production Christmas card. And I'm probably going to do it one time this year because I just love the look of this card. And I'm sorry I'm having to do one of my Wednesday card making tutorials again that is recorded. I am still in recovery, but I should be back very soon. I didn't know how long it was going to take me to recover, so I'm just taking it slow and easy, one day at a time. Obviously, this is pre-recorded, so I have no idea where I'm at in my recovery at this point. Just giving you a heads up on that. Okay, next step is easy enough once those little stickers are on there. Now we are going to place our stickers. So easy, easy peasy. I just love these. I think they're so pretty. So I went ahead and just lined it up. I made every single section exactly the same size, so I didn't have to worry about, cutting out different sections of paper. They all fit wonderfully. So we're going to go there now. And I love how they're all just a little different. We have pineapple, we have a heart with a wave. This one we've got some crystals. Look at that. cute that is. And the last one here, we have our cacti. And they're really nice stickers too. Beautiful stickers. All right, now that's done. Next step is super simple. We're going to take our little paper corner rounder. I'm going to go in the corner of each of these pieces of paper. Just a little something. Just doing 2 corners. This corner and that corner. I already did that one. That was my prototype. That one. That one. So what I'm showing you is kind of what I would do if I was going to do a mass prototype. I would put all the elements for that one thing and do all of that one. Now, I'm going to try and decide, all these papers have come from Adorn It. I'm not lining it up like this. We're going to line it up differently, but I want to see which ones work best. I could also flip over. No, not like that. Do I want the waves? Ooh, that looks cool with the waves, like waves of the beach. That one looks pretty on there. I also have a flip. And that looks, see that little bright pink pop? This one wouldn't work because it doesn't have the bright pink. But look at that. Now I've got 4 different backgrounds. It looks like 4 completely different cards just because the paper is 2-sided. I didn't plan it like that, but it's a happy accident. All right. I am also going to, oops, this is cut in the wrong corners. Whoops. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to give this one to here and this one will flip over. See, there's a way to do everything. I'm going to go ahead and punch the corners on the other ones. If you notice, I am flipping them over because I can see my punch better. I'm going to show you the assembly of one card, but they're all pretty much the same. So you line up your paper right here, kind of go closer to this edge. Super simple. Use your adhesive runner. Stick it down just like that. Look how fun and easy that is. Take your adhesive on this side. We're going to line it up closer to the other side now, just like that. Actually, we're going to kind of do it right there. I want it to look overlapped, but still have some space right there. The last thing we're going to do is I have these cute little pearls. If you notice, these are pretty old. These were when the dollar section was still $1. I think it's $1.50 now for some of them. And I'm just going to take 3. Now, I did not invent this card sketch. This sketch has been around, I want to say, for at least 10 years. Truly, I don't know of many card sketches that are original anymore. Just a few little pearls right there in the corner. This is just one of those sketches that sometimes you just got to go back and relook at something that maybe you've done a while ago and rehash it again. So I'm going to go ahead and speed through how I'm going to make these other ones. Same design, and then I'm going to show you what they all look like at the end. Fast and easy cards that you can use using a sticker. These ones actually came from Pura Vida, which is where I got my new jewelry. So pretty. And just using some, some supplies I have. So pulling out some fun stickers, going with an old school kind of a sketch. Got to use a tool. I have not used my quarter rounder in ages. Obviously, those pearls have been around for a while, and I've almost used them up. Not quite, but almost. So kind of getting some desashing happening and making some cards. And I could completely make some more. I think that would be fantastic if you use the entire line. And then they're just so easy. There's just super simple thanks cards. Supply lists are all down below in the information section. Hopefully, I will be back with more lives super soon, possibly next week. I'm not sure. It depends on how I'm going to be feeling. I don't know this right now because I'm recording this before the surgery. So hope you guys subscribe, and I'll see you guys again soon. Bye-bye, everybody.